What's going on, y'all boys? Back again with another video. We got names of the game promo, the first promo of the year. Let's get right into the catalog and look at these cards and see who we got. So we're gonna go to what is it? Program, name of the game. We got Squirrel White, 86 overall LTD, 5'10 speedster. Go to the auction house, see what he got going on. 500K ain't bad, to be honest, for a LTD. I mean, I wouldn't pay. You already know how I'm coming. I'm not paying for that. I'm not paying for that type of card. It's just not something that I think is necessary. You got bronze, clear-headed. And then he has roller coaster. Slight composure gain and loss is more. And then we got nothing. We got no major abilities on him, which is weird, but still, I mean, 86 overall and 86 speed. He's going to be fantastic. Definitely, this is one of those cards you win just by having him on the field. Next, you got Mr. Clark going to the auction house. The counter, the squirrel. Same thing. He's about 86 speed, 85 man coverage. Pretty solid cornerback. And same thing, we're going to look at his abilities, see what he can get. See if he gets anything usable, because Squirrel didn't get nothing. So he gets, okay, he gets bouncer. I mean, it's better than nothing. So if you're running him in zone, gives you a little bit of an advantage, but whatever. And then he gets bronze team player, so you can put him at safety and have more your speed over top, so that kind of prevents you from getting beat deep. So that's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. So you got two solid LTDs. Then you got Haynes Hammer, left tackle. Then you got the Gentle Hunt. Don't know why Dylan Raiola has a names of the game. Probably just to get a good quarterback out there to entice people to open packs. But you got a pure power right edge. Only 5'11", 305. So I'll probably move him to defensive tackle, realistically speaking, just because he's kind of small. And yeah, just use them in an advantage at the defensive tackle position. Power moves 85, block share 85, strength 84, pursuit 84. So he's pretty solid. He's pretty solid. You can get with him. Then we got Dylan Raiola. Dylan Raiola is 81 speed, 84 throw power, 85 accuracy. Pretty solid. Let's see what he's going for. You might be able to get Dylan Raiola for cheap. Yeah, you can get Dylan, starting quarterback right now for 180, 86K. I would hold off on it, wait for Johnny Manziel to come out, wait for this promo to be out for a little bit, get more of him on the auction house, and then you go for him in there. Because obviously you already know the day one is when the cards are most expensive on auction house. And last but not least, you got D.I.C. Hopkins. With him not being an LTD, I assume him to be pretty cheap. 130 is a little bit more expensive than I thought he would be, especially when you got Corey Leach that are going to be the same price at the same position. So let him drop down about 30 more K, 40 more K, and then you can flirt with getting him at that 70, 80. If that's, like if you won't need to win day one and that's what you're trying to do, I can see you paying that price for him. But overall, pretty solid drop, pretty solid first drop. Can't really complain about any of the cards. As you can see here, I got 23 unopened packs. I'm not really going to be ripping any names of the game packs. I'll be taking advantage of all these free packs that I've gotten from doing these challenges right here. If you guys want another video about challenges, about AJ Harris, some of the glitches that I've been able to take advantage of right now with the game, with the early release, go ahead, drop a like and a comment, and I'd be more than happy to put that video out for you guys. But just know, I am 7 games away from getting AJ Harris, and I'm going to have him tonight. But I decided I wanted to do this video, take a break from that, and then hop back on and complete that tonight. But anyway, let's rip some packs, right? So we got a 76 overall B&D player. See if we can get some starters. Okay, so I've now got a new starting quarterback. So that's fine. Dismiss that. Stadium pack. Not really too concerned with the stadium pack. See what stadium I get. But this is free coins. South Alabama. Free coins, right? Hail Mary pack. This is pretty good. All right, let's see what we can get. We get a 76 Mike. So these are good coins. We get an elite. Okay. Get a nice little left edge. Or left edge. And then we get a 66. Not great. But we get an 88. We got get an elite out of that. Next, we got a 70 overall B&D player. Do we get minimum? Well, we get 2 more than minimum, so I can't complain about that. Another 70 overall B&D player. And then we get minimum, so whatever. Playbook pack. What playbook can we get? Get something. We get San Jose 3-4. Okay. We got 6 73 plus B&D packs. 6. Okay. So we beat the minimum on that. 76 speed isn't bad. Where are we? We're kind of all over the place. Let's do these 73s, right? Let's do these 73s first. Another 76. That's not bad, man. That's pretty good. So we got the minimum is 73. We've gotten more than the minimum 2 times in a row. 78, 3 times in a row. Okay, so I'm not going to get dramatic and say packs are hot because I'm pulling 76s and 78s. But you always like to see getting more than the minimum. 74, still beating the minimum. Still beating the minimum. 2 more of these, and then we move on to the next one. 78, that's not bad. That's not bad. And then we get the last 73 overall B&D player pack. And we get the minimum on the last one. But that's not bad. We opened up 6 of those packs and only got the minimum 1 time. Let's do a uniform pack. What uniform we get? Missouri. Maybe that's free tokens or free coins, excuse me. Then we got 4 coin packs. Over under 500. What are you guys thinking? I think I'm going to get... So we got 500 there. So let's quick sell that. Like, we'll quick sell this in the video. Take the easy coins. So we got 500. So I think I'm going to get 1,200 total coins out of these coin packs. 250. Oh, I didn't even quick sell. So that's 750. I need 500 more. About 450 more to beat the over. Okay. So all right. Made 1250 so far. So a little easy, 1,000 coins. Last coin pack. $500. Okay. So that wasn't bad at all. Let's do a team pack. Iowa, Purdue, and Wisconsin. Easy coins right there. Strategy pack. This is getting sold. This is probably going to be good coins because, again, I don't need a strategy pack. Common, bruiser back. Will not make any coins off of that. I guarantee it. But I'm still going to put it in auction. All right, we're going to work like this. We're going to do the 78, the field goal, the Hail Mary, and then the 80 overall to see what we can pull. Give me a core elite. We're looking for a blue. No luck. 79 left tackle. Okay. Field goal pack. What can we get? All right. 71's not good. 74. Yeah, whatever. 2 more cards. 70. And last but not least, we get 70. Okay. Easy coins, easy training. Hail Mary pack. Nice. 81 right guard. Nice. 67, yeah. And then we get a 73. All right, so that's not horrible. Then last but not least, we get this 80 overall B&D fantasy pack. CJ Donaldson, an 80 with a 76 speed is just ridiculous. And then we get a right tackle, Blake Steen, I think I end up taking him because my current right tackle is a 67. And last but not least, we get a left guard. Yeah, we'll take the right tackle. All right, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. So what I might do, right, make him to my starter. What I might do right now, let's go to the marketplace, go to the store. We got the featured. So you can get a names of the game B&D pack for 17,000 coins or 200 points. You got your daily recruit packs. You got your name of the game premium bundles and premium packs. So you got B&D, and then you got the sellable. Then you got just regular packs, right? Nothing too crazy. If you haven't used your 4,600 points and you really want Dylan Raiola or one of those guys, I'm not against it, to be honest. Early access pack still. And then you got name of the game launcher booster pack, and these are B&D. So again, same deal. And then that's pretty much it for that. Training. So these are good, right? 1,500 points. 1,500 training for a guaranteed 85 plus training pack. That's not bad. You got the premium pack, and this is a guaranteed 83 or better. This is a guaranteed 85 overall. Could contain a season 1 player. So that's not bad. Then we got these right here, the season level packs. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah, not bad at all. All right, so what I'm about to do is I just went and opened up all of those packs. This is what I'm about to do. We're going to see what I can get. So if I was to quick sell everything that I just pulled, how much training would that give me? Not enough. It'll only give me 716 training. So we're going to wrap it up on that video right there. I'm going to put all of these cards on the auction house. I'm going to put all of these cards on the auction house except for the B&D cards. And that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. But like I said, if you guys want that second video going over how I'm going to get AJ Harrison the first 2 days of release, go ahead and leave a comment, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all boys.